Hi everyone, today, we're diving into one of India's most iconic SUVs, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero. Known for its rugged build, reliable performance, and unbeatable durability, the Bolero has been a favorite for years, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. Mahindra has given the 2025 model some significant updates while keeping the essence of what makes the Bolero a legend. So, let's check out what's new, what's improved, and whether this SUV is worth your money. Starting with the design, Mahindra has given the 2025 Bolero a refreshed look while maintaining its boxy, tough appeal. The front grille is now more modern with chrome touches, and the headlights get LED DRLs, a much-needed upgrade for better visibility. The bumper has been slightly redesigned, making the SUV look more aggressive. While the side profile remains largely the same, Mahindra has added new alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. At the rear, you get LED tail lamps, a new bumper, and a more premium-looking Bolero badging. Step inside, and you'll notice that Mahindra has made some improvements to the interior and features. The dashboard has been slightly updated with a more modern design, and the new dual-tone theme gives it a fresher look. The biggest upgrade comes in the form of a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay support. This makes it much easier to stay connected on the go. The instrument cluster is now semi-digital, offering a clearer display of information. Other features include power windows, a multi-function steering wheel, and improved seat cushioning for better comfort on long drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolero retains its 1.5-liter M-Hawk diesel engine, which is known for its reliability and efficiency. This engine produces around 75 VT horsepower and 210 Nm of torque, making it more than capable of handling rough terrains. Mahindra has also tweaked the engine for better fuel efficiency, which is now expected to be around 18 to 19 km/h. The 5-speed manual gearbox remains standard, and while Mahindra hasn't introduced an automatic variant yet, the manual transmission continues to be smooth and reliable. The Bolero is also expected to come with BS6 Phase 2 compliance, ensuring it meets the latest emission norms. One of the biggest reasons why people love the Bolero is its durability and off-road capability. Mahindra has strengthened the chassis, making it even more rugged for bad roads and challenging terrains. The SUV comes with high ground clearance, ensuring it can handle potholes, dirt roads, and even flooded areas with ease. The suspension setup remains sturdy, offering a comfortable ride even on rough surfaces. Safety has been a key focus for Mahindra in recent years, and the 2025 Bolero gets some crucial updates. The SUV now comes with dual airbags as standard, along with ABS, EBD, and rear parking sensors. Mahindra has also added electronic stability control and hill hold assist in the higher variants, making it safer for highway driving in hilly areas. While it may not be the most feature-packed SUV in terms of safety, these improvements make the Bolero a more secure option for families and fleet operators. Mahindra has priced the 2025 Bolero competitively, with the base variant starting around a superscript 19.5 lakh and the top variant going up to a superscript 111.5 lakh. Ex-showroom. This pricing keeps it affordable while offering good value for money. The Bolero continues to be one of the best-selling SUVs in its segment, and with these updates, it remains a strong contender for those looking for a no-nonsense, rugged, and reliable vehicle. So, is the 2025 Mahindra Bolero worth buying? If you need an SUV that's tough, fuel-efficient, and can handle rough roads with ease, the Bolero is still one of the best choices. While it may not have the fancy features of modern SUVs, it makes up for it with reliability, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. What do you think about the new Mahindra Bolero? Do you like the updates, or do you feel Mahindra should have added more features? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next one.